Hello mga geolatics dyan. Bali ngayon pupunta tayo ng Iloilo Center. Yan, Iloilo, sa capital ng Iloilo sa Haro. Then tingnan natin doon, punta tayong SM. Stroll natin yung discover natin yung ating Iloilo charm. Yeah. By the way, ito nga pala aking anak na panganay. Hello po.
Sana all.
Jom. Yan. Nantay na lang namin yung service. Mamaya alis na rin kami. Alright? Hello everyone. Gio is here.
G.
Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Tita's here. Hi.
Hi.
Yan.
Hello mga pulo sa ka.
Mama's here.
Si Meda na nawata ko.
Mama last
Baka
year.
sa parka mo. Ha?
Mama, ma. Hindi ko maabot, ma.
Everyone is here in the town square.
Times Square. Saan tayo punta, be? Iloilo Center. Yeah?
But we're in Iloilo now.
Yeah, but in the center. Yes?
But we're going to M&M, guys.
M&M.
SM
Or we're going to Kidzona.
There's things I can't seem to let go, and I feel like I'm all on my own. And some days it gets worse and the memories hurt, but I hope that one day I let go. I know I get mad, too mad, and I don't wanna do that. It hurts bad and I hate when the mood lasts. I move fast and I try hard to move past all the pain, cause I'm looking for a bright side in my mind, cause you only got one life. Need advice from the future, am I alright? If this fight feels like something from your own life, then one time let me hear you sing.
Sometimes things will get hard and leave you covered in scars, but I know I could get out of this. And I feel like life moves way too fast to hold on to things from the past. So goodbye to things I'll never miss.
We don't run, now we stand together and hold on through the anger, whether we all want to make something better.
Kasi may mga yan, may sinigang.
And my trust has been torn and shredded, it's been rough, but I try to forget it and move on to a place where I can grow. It's time, not holding back, I'm coming fast. I know what I wanna have, the dream is to detach from all that is bad, the things holding me back, the people that didn't last, the evil that kept me mad. This is my life, it's my time to do things just the right light. My runway for the lights, I'ma take flight, and my God is my purpose and my fight. If you feel the same, let me hear you say.
Sometimes things will get hard and leave you covered in scars, but I know I can get out of this.
Cheers! Ito, kita ni nanay mo. Iyay. Lagi kami si Iyay. Wala mo pag siya nag-extra. Siya nag-extra doon nung, umuwi siya, siya nag-extra isang buwan.
Yun na namin yung sa kasama. Okay, family. Okay, guys. Ayan, naka-play na yan.
Okay, guys.
Hi.
Naman yun.
Sabihin mo muna, welcome to Geolatics.
Ayan, yung geolatics ko. Ayan, yung family.
Sino? Sabihin mo si Tita Aimee yan. Yung naka-color green na shirt.
Ayan, Tita Aimee is taba. Another babos is
Yung kamukha ni Mama Sally.
and Kuya Jom is taba. And Toto J.R. is pretty. Because Toto J.R. is a girl.
be a girl?
Hindi kasi kanina sa ano, wala naman nagturo sa kanya.
Chicho Iko
Sabi niya,
is
tomorrow,
beauty
si
because
Toto
she's
J.
a girl.
Naamoy ka niya.
Mama Lash is Kobe because Mom Lash a boy. Daddy is pretty because you are girl daddy. And you a boy, Mommy. I'm a boy too.
Ay, ayan si Tito Iko ko na
Ayan.
Andun kay Jom.
ihatid ka muna namin.
Ito na. Ito
May
pa.
talaga siya.
Hello?
May talaga siya.
Hello? Andun pa siguro. Which one? Andito pala. Kids zone na naman. Grabe naman. You're so happy talaga. O mag-shoot, magalo ka. Saan tayo? Eh, Jewel, are you okay? Where's your mom? Where's your mama? Gusto mo iwan mo? Kasama pala si Mami Lak eh. Oh, that's good. Push! Bye! See ya! Jewel! Jewel, yung ano mo? Socks. Saan sila? Anong gagawin? Jewel, up there. Jewel, come. Jewel. Another one. Come. This one, no? This one. Oh, that one. Okay? Ayan, dito, ayun o. Go. Ayun si Mami. Where's Mami? Ayun o. Ano, okay?
Sana all.
Tara na, close tayo lang tayo ito. Promise. Hindi, mainit dito. Kala mo, open to eh.
Hindi.
Ha?
Yan o, tingnan mo. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda o.
Ayan.
Tingnan mo.
Okay, makita mo.
Oh, tingnan mo yan. Kanina sana
Liligay, no?
natin.
Sabi na tayo.
Next time, di ba ako maligaw? Alam na lang.